Hey guys, our aim was to make a product like Audible but for the hearing impaired. So, what does a product do? A product is an end to end mobile application that takes in speech as input and gives out cued speech as output. But what is cued speech? Unlike the American Sign Language or the British Sign Language, cued speech is a visual system of communication. There are two main factors to cued speech, one being lip reading and the other being hand positions to represent syllables of a word in a sentence. So let's say you wanted to say, quote, I left the cage on the seat, unquote, in cued speech so that a person with hearing impairment could understand. You would do it something like this.
I left the cage on the seat.
Pretty cool, isn't it? So how do we approach this problem? For the lip reading part, we use the state-of-the-art deep learning architecture called wave to lip to create lip syncs. So what does this model do? It takes in speech from the Android app along with a photo from thispersondoesnotexist.com as input and give out the lip synced video as output. So let's say your image was this and you wanted to make them say hi. The model would give this as output.
Hi.
Pretty cool, isn't it? So for next, we spent a considerable amount of time understanding and learning how the cued speech system works. We then wrote a Python library that takes in a given sentence and gives out the cued speech position for syllables of words in a sentence. To predict the syllables, we used the CMU pronunciation dictionary that takes in a sentence as input and gives out the corresponding syllables. So let's say you wanted to know the syllables present in the word Jack. It's JH, AE, and K. And using our library, if you call the library on the syllables, it would give you the corresponding cued speech positions. So for JH, the position is 51, for AE, the position is 51, and for K, the position is 12. But there's a small problem. Let's say you wanted to know the cued speech position for the word Aditya, which is my name. Because Aditya isn't present in the cued speech CMU dictionary, it would give you a key error. So to solve this problem, we approach deep learning. We use state-of-the-art natural language processing deep learning architecture called the transformers to train on word syllable pairs from the CMU dictionary to predict on new ones. So after training for about 2 hours, we had a model that could successfully predict on new data. As you can see, for a given word, the predicted pronunciation is very close to the real pronunciation. So let's say if I give a new word like Aditya to this model, it would give me the syllables present in the word. We then wrote a Python script that takes in text as input, calls all the different libraries and all the different deep learning models, and returns a video as output. We hosted this Python script on a Flash server running on a Linux virtual machine on the Google Cloud platform. On start, the mobile application will take in raw speech as input, convert it to text, and sends it to the Flash server. The Flash server runs the script and saves the video in the root directory. The mobile application then grabs the video from the root directory and plays it to the user.
How are you?